oil spill incident continues to happen and brings even more serious effect each time. It caused damage to coral reef and problem for fishermen, altogether decreasing the amount of clean water for humans daily use. Recently, in 2025, an oil spill occurred in Sungai Cepak. This incident has affected a lot of 108 fishermen and mussel farmers around Kampung Pasir Putih, Pasir Gudang, Johor. Marine life such as shellfish and fish were contaminated, making it difficult for fishermen to continue their daily work. Show how oil pollution can impact not only environment but also to the people who depend on the sea for survival.
Oil spills are clearly one of the biggest global issues that requires immediate action. Unfortunately, many current cleanup methods use toxic chemicals and acids that can harm the marine animals, which created a whole new set of problems. Therefore, the question is, how can we develop a natural solution to absorb the ocean oil spills without harming the ecosystem?
To answer this question, my team Coco and I had developed an innovation called Coco-Clean. It is a device that can absorb ocean oils and safely emulsifies oils without harming the ecosystem.
So, what exactly is CocoClean? CocoClean is an oil-absorbent pad made by crushed coconut husks wrapped up in jute fabric, which we call Coco pads. CocoClean is a small robotic boat system designed to detect, collect, and manage oil spills in water. At the back of the boat, Coco pads are attached to a net system that is connected to a servo motor. These Coco pads act as natural oil absorbers that can collect oil from the water surface. The system is also equipped with several technological components, including an ESP module to send notifications to the controller, a GPS tracker to monitor the boat's location, a servo motor to release and retrieve the Coco pads, and lastly, an LED light to allow the system to operate during nighttime conditions. Together, these components allow CocoClean to function as a smart and efficient oil cleanup system.
Now, you might be wondering, how does CocoClean actually work? It's really not that difficult at all. First, the Coco pads are attached to a net that is installed at the back of the boat. This net is connected to a servo motor which controls the movement of the Coco pads. Next, the boat travels to the designated oil spill location. Once the boat arrives at the affected area, the servo motor activates and releases the Coco pad into the water. The Coco pads will float on the water surface and begin absorbing the oil naturally. After the oil has been absorbed, the servo motor pulls the net back into the boat, retrieving the Coco pads. At the same time, the ESP module sends a notification to the controller to inform that the oil absorption has been completed. The boat position can be tracked by using GPS system, and the boat can be controlled remotely using NRS Connect. Finally, the boat returns back to the base for emulsifying process where the absorbed oil can be managed and treated properly.
The tip of CocoClean is to make solutions through biocide to secure a safe environment for the marine life, to ensure safe water to use for daily activities, and lastly, to increase in economic activities.
This project supports 5 development goals, which is SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, SDG 13, climate action, and last but not least, SDG 14, life below water.
There are obviously lots of benefits from using CocoClean as it could reduce water pollution and minimize impact on the marine ecosystem. Furthermore, CocoClean is also environmentally safe because we use 100% biodegradable things like coconut husks. Other than that, CocoClean is also reduce the cost of the cleanup. And lastly, the best part is CocoClean doesn't require any skilled operators at all, which means you won't need any trained expert or special skill to use it. In the future, we plan to improve a couple of things, such as improve CocoClean oil absorption abilities and test CocoClean in real-life conditions.
Create safe ways to use or dispose used coconut husks, replacing LDR with oil sensors, adding citrus peel extract into the jute fabric along with coconut oil to resolve oil.
In conclusion, oil spills remain a serious environmental problem that threatens oceans and marine biodiversity. Through our innovation, CocoClean, we aim to combine natural materials and technology to create a more sustainable oil spill cleanup solution.